Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be another baking video with me. So we're gonna be making Christmas cookies because like I said in my other videos, Christmas is my favorite time of year. And now that I started like a baking and cooking thing on my channel, I had to do something for Christmas. So if you wanna see these Christmas cookies that we're gonna be making, which I'm gonna insert a picture of them right here, then please keep watching. And a side note before we do get into the video, if you like this makeup that I do have on, make sure to go check out my Christmas makeup look because this is the exact same look that I have on right now. So the ingredients that you're going to be needing is 2 eggs, all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, cornstarch, green food coloring, vanilla extract, M&ms, sugar, and unsalted butter. I'm pretty sure I remember to say everything, but as I'm going throughout the video, you'll see, but I'm pretty sure I said everything. And when I say M&Ms, I mean only red and green M&Ms, and these are in a Ziploc bag because I had to buy so many bags of M&Ms and pick out these because you need 1.5 cups, and you can use an extra 1/2 cup if you want to just like top on top of the cookies when you take them out of the oven. But I was not about to be going through like 100 more M&M bags, so I just have exactly 1.5 cups to put in the batter. But if you can find the bag for around Christmas time that has the just those 2 colors in it, then you will have your 2 cups. For step 1, you're going to want to take a large bowl, just like this or whatever large bowl you have, and you're going to be mixing the butter and the sugar in here. And we're going to be taking 1 cup of butter and 1 cup and 2/3 of the sugar. Now you should want the butter to be softened. So if you didn't have like your butter wasn't softened and it was kind of hard and it's a little hard for you to mix, you can just throw it in the microwave for 20 seconds and it will be good. Once you've mixed it up a little bit, you're going to be going in with the eggs now, and you're going to add one at a time, beating them in. So I'm going to add one, mix it, and add the other, and then mix it. Now I'm going to be going in with the vanilla extract, and I'm going to be taking 2 teaspoons. And now that we have the vanilla extract, we're going to go in with the food coloring and adding 3 to 5 drops of it. Okay, I'm going to start with that because I'm pretty sure that's like way more than 5 drops, but if I do need to add more, I will. Now we're just going to mix it all together. Definitely going to go in with a little bit more of the vanilla extract. Or not vanilla extract, food coloring, and I added a lot more. I like the color I want, so I'm gonna say with the food drops, honestly just put as much as you want in because it's your personal preference how green you really want it. So we're just gonna set the large bowl aside and go in with a more medium-sized bowl because now we're gonna be doing all the dry ingredients like the baking powder, the baking soda, the flour, and all of that stuff in here. So I've already added all the flour in here, and you're gonna be taking 3 cups and 1/3, which is this one, that one right there. Now we're going to be going in with the cornstarch, and we're going to be taking 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And we're also going to be adding baking powder and baking soda. We're taking 1 teaspoon of each. So now we have all that powder in the bowl, and you're not really going to be able to tell because all of it is white. But the last thing that we have to add into here is the salt. So I'm going to be taking 1 teaspoon, just like we took 1 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. And now we're just going to whisk it together. So you want to add a little bit of the dry mixture into this green mixture, the butter mixture, little by little, and mix it in. And you're going to do this on low speed. I'm just going to go off camera right now to try to mix all this stuff together, just so we can save a little bit of time. But like I said, you just want to add the mixture into it slowly, blend it in. Once it's blended, add some more, just like that until you have it all blended together. So once you're done mixing it, it should look like this, and it's okay if it kind of looks like individual little crumbs, but if you pick it up, it rolls into a ball really nicely. So just like this, like obviously you're not gonna make the cookie this big, but you see it can roll nicely into a ball. So now that it's looking like this, we're gonna add the M&Ms, and you need to add 1.5 cups, and I have exactly 1.5 cups in this bag because I've already measured it out. So now you just want to mix the M&Ms into here, and I mean however you want to do that is fine, whether you use a spoon or a whisk or your hands, which I'm going to use my hands, but I'm going to do it off camera. And yes, my hands are washed. So I've put the saran wrap around it, and I'm going to let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. But if you have more time, you can leave it for 2 hours. So it's been 30 minutes now, so I've taken this out of the fridge. It's actually been like 33 minutes, but whatever. And it just looks like this still, but when you touch it, it's more firm than it was before it went in. It doesn't feel cold on the hands, but it's more firm in there. So you're gonna want to take parchment paper and line a pan to lay the cookies out, and this is supposed to make 36 cookies. So I have 2 pans. I have this one and a circle one. I'm hoping that I'm not going to need to do it on another pan. But yeah, so you just want to take some parchment paper and do this. And I'm going to roll some balls out and show you guys just a few examples. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the rest. And if you feel like it doesn't have enough M&Ms in it, you can just grab some out the bowl and stick them in. So here's the pan, and over here there's 33 cookies here, and I still have this much in the batch, so this is gonna probably honestly make about 45 cookies. And you just want to preheat the oven to 350. It's almost there. And these are going to cook for about 11 to 13 minutes. And you don't want to overdo it because the M&Ms will burn. So these are the cookies done. And it made 46 cookies. And they smell so good. So instead of 36 cookies, it made 46. And they smell really good. So I'm just going to taste it now. It's actually so good. Because the M&Ms are melted, it actually tastes so good, I swear. It's bomb. So these cookies are so good and they're so cute. And if you're going to have like a family party, you're going to have family over for Christmas, I think that these make such a good little Christmas snack to have on a plate at the table for people to eat. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video.